Hello student, in this video we will discuss about surface flit. If I rotate this object, so these two objects create a very sharp transition in between both objects. So if you want to create some smoothness surface flit, so first I select both object and then go to surface and choose surface flit. So there are couple of options, but we use circular flit. I click on this setting button. So these are parameters. I reset all these. So main important parameter is radius. So by default the value of radius is 1. You can also reduce 0.15, then hit apply button. So surface flit create a new object in between these two objects. So first I make some changes. So select this and click on this button. It's circular flit surface and change the flit radius from here around 0.1. So now it's better blend in between two objects. Now I change the surface direction, so I go to surface and reverse direction. So I think it's created two different surface. So first I delete a duplicate copy. Okay, so now these objects smoothly blend. I change the shading mode. Okay, so now these two objects blend very smoothly. Same surface flit tool I apply in between these objects. So first select these two and then go to surface and surface flit, circular flit. So first make changes in the surface flit. I place value 0.05 for flit radius and then I change the surface direction. Once I delete the duplicate object. Okay, so surface flit create a very smooth transition in between two objects. So you can try this and create a smooth transition in between two objects. Second tool is round tool. If you want to create a smoothness at the edge of this mirror, go to surface and choose round tool. So these are basic parameters. First reset these settings. So main parameter is radius. You can also change radius value after applying this tool. So first select this edge. So when you click and drag and this, if this yellow icon starts showing on the edge, its mean tool is applied. So first I reduce the flit size around this. I think it's perfect, or reduce little bit more and then hit enter. So that smoothness will apply, okay, around the edge. First I have to select this surface and then go to reverse direction, or I think it's created duplicate again. So there is some problem, I think. So it's creating duplicate surface every time. Okay, so round tool create a smoothness around this edge. So you can also use this tool at the edges of object to provide a smoothness. So these are two tools that provide smoothness around the edges and in between two objects. Try these tools and provide some extra detailing in your object.